Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your bank statement on Cash App. Let's get started. Open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu until you find the Documents option. Tap on Documents to access your financial records. Here you'll find all your available statements organized by date and transaction type. You can view your payment history, Bitcoin transactions, stock investments, and all other financial activities. Each statement provides detailed information about your transactions, including dates, amounts, and recipients. If you need to download or share a statement, simply select the document you want and use the Export option. Your statements are typically available shortly after each transaction processes and are great for tracking expenses, preparing taxes, or monitoring your investment activity. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.